Hi everyone, in this challenge we are going to model the pipe wheel. Let's begin by creating a circle on our front plane, creating a new sketch, hitting S for our shortcuts and selecting circle. Notice the snap track. I'm going to create a circle here, diameter to be 15, hitting enter and hitting escape. Create a line that will serve as a construction geometry. Let's reselect this line and convert this as a construction geometry. Inspecting this circle, let's add the horizontal relation between our origin and the center point of the circle. Selecting make horizontal. Let's now hit S and select Smart Dimension, selecting the center point, this line, diameter for this to be 160, hitting enter and hitting escape. In addition, let's create the path for our upcoming swept feature. Let me zoom in, hit L for line, creating a chain of lines. Left click and a double left click, hitting escape. Let's add fillets on these corners. Heading up, selecting sketch fillet, selecting this point and this point, the radius to be 10. Hitting enter and selecting the green check mark. Next, let me dimension this line. Let's apply dimensions, hitting S, selecting Smart Dimension, selecting this line, the value to be 30, hitting escape. Next, let's create the half of the cylinder here, hitting S and selecting corner rectangle, creating a rectangle at this intersection. Dimension field currently active, keying in 30, hitting tab and the half of 30 to be 15. Hitting enter and hitting escape. Let's add dimensions, hitting S, selecting Smart Dimension, selecting this horizontal line and this center point. I prefer placing the dimension here to be 10. Next, let me locate the midpoint of this diagonal line. Left click here and select our center point. The distance vertically to be 12.5. Next, locating once more the midpoint of this line. And for now, I'm going to turn off the visibility of our relations, heading to hide show items, disabling view sketch relation. Hovering over this diagonal line, selecting the midpoint, heading over to this vertical line, the distance for them horizontally to be 32.5, hitting enter and hitting escape. Let's now exit sketch mode, left clicking anywhere on our graphics area. Control 7 for isometric view.